Hello everyone and welcome back to another software review video. Today we are going to review Fusebase, which is an software which is going to help you to create dashboards for client and for yourself also. You can create apps also, and you can create AI agents, and a lot of features are there offered by Fusebase. We have already done some reviews videos, but now we are going to dive through some of the cool and intuitive features in this video. So without wasting our time, now let us get started. To get started, at first log in using your user ID and password. So this is the central dashboard of Fusebase. You can see the UI is simple and user friendly. In the central dashboard, you can see you can switch between organization, database, and personal. So database is personalized. It is for organization and for everything. So and you have this default workspace, and upon clicking on default workspace, you will be directed to the default workspace. And under default workspace you have different things like all pages, files, tags, AI agents, tag, folders, getting started and unsorted. And then you have this client portal, so you can build client portal separately. So this is how it is going to help you. In the all pages you can create a new page and create a new tags, or you can just start by a template. So using template is time saving. So let us click on a template. Then we have this template for a page, and you can create a template, and you have all the categories. For example, coaching, consulting, customer support, events, IT services, marketing, collections, client, marketing, real estate, and all the previews are available here also. So now I'm going to create for coaching. So just click on this coaching and let us see. So coaching intake form. So let us build a coaching intake form now. So this is the template for a coaching intake form. You can see the live demo by clicking on live demo. And if you like the template, you can use this template, and you can edit this template. And editing a template is too much time saving, since you don't have to build from scratch, and you don't have to add these simple things like adding photo, bio, goals and desires, idea, experience, age, children, so everything. So this is the coaching intake form. You can create one by using this, and if you are not happy with this particular template, then you can go and choose another one, whichever you want. You have this customer support. So let us take a look at this customer support. For example, this is contacts page or personal CRM. So if you want to create a simple contacts page, then also you can create a simple contacts mm, mm, page. For example, name, number, email address, and notes. So to use these templates, you click on use these templates, and you can select workspace. I am selecting default workspace and click on the save workspace, and then the template is successfully saved in the workspace. So let us open this template, and you can edit this, and you can edit anytime you want. For example, this is the page. So you have also the option to work with AI. Just click on work with AI, and everything will be paraphrased with AI, and AI is going to help you a lot. So this is the contact form. You can see all the contacts, and you can add contacts. It is simply editable. So whenever you have to edit, just click on this. For example, I'm going to write the name. So type the name, and then you can type all the things. It is like working on Excel. So everything is quite simple, and you don't need to bother. So this is the contacts page, and you can share this page, and you can add to portal also. And then you have this download also. So upon clicking on share, you have the option mm, to share all your contact to people. So this is the link. So click on enable shared link. So you can shorten or customize this link also, or you can just copy the link button and just copy the link, and to whenever you give this link to anyone, and people who will read this link will be able to find this contact space. So this is how it works, and it is quite helpful for small businesses. If you have a small restaurant or a small consulting service is being provided, you can just give this email link to the people, and they can visit your simple information. And you have options to print also, or you can enable full screen, or you can also save to Fuse. So this is how it works, and it is quite helpful. So now let us take a look at another feature, that is AI agents. So you can create AI agents also, and you have different AI agents. For example, AI chat, AI agent for enhancing prompts, AI data extractor, AI text writer, company organization chart builder, blog post for your product, company profile builder, document translator, essay generator, FAQ generator, Google ad, how to guide builder, interview questions, knowledge based LinkedIn content finder, meeting and webinar analysis, outbound talk generator, Q&A website page, sales. So you have a lot of templates, you have a lot of options to choose from. For example, I am going to choose this AI data extractor. So click on this start button, and it is going to extract data with the help of AI. So you have to provide the text which you want to analyze and extract data from, and then it will extract data from that. And so this is the simplest AI agent. Then you have another AI agent like AI text writer. So it is a generative AI. It is similar to Chat GPT or Google Gemini. So you have to write the original text. For example, just enter the text and select the tone, and then you can uh, make it to write. So, for example, I want to write about history of shoes and what text format do you want. So I need format for blog post. Then write blog post. Main topic of the message is marketing. Then target audience is youth, and click on generate button, and the generate after clicking on the generate button, text will be generated on the basis of the prompt provided. So here's the simple, the history of shoes. So shoes have been used for a long time, and later what happened to shoes. For example, by 1800, factories made shoes faster and cheaper before it was made by hand. So it is helpful. You can add this thing as saying about history of shoes, and it is going to help you a lot to enhance and boost up your business. Then you have these folders. Under these folders, you have all different types of folders. Every file is arranged here. So arranging files and data is quite simple here. No need to bother about where to upload files and where to keep all the files managed and structured. Then you have this task. So this task is basically used to create on task and track the progress of that task. For example, you can add a new task, and then you can just track the progress of that task, and every day progress of the task can be tracked from here. Then you have these tags, so you can add tags. For example, important or company or this department, that department, you can add this. So this is how all the things work here. Then you have this another option which is automation. So under automation, you can automate a lot of things. It also supports automation. Then you have these new tiles. In the new tiles, you have these apps. So you can create a new app. Whenever you want to create a new app, just click on create new app, and then you have this download CLI, so latest version for your platform, or you have this step by step instruction for creating an app. Then you have this databases, so you can see all the databases from here, and the database provided should be according to the company, so that it will generate content on the basis of the theme of the company. Then you have this live button. So this live button is for meetings. You can host meetings from here only. No need to bother and go to another website. For example, this is gather shoot for North Star Summit, and this was the demo meeting, and participants name, then linked meeting, then everything, every detail and completed meeting type, then organizer, tracker, client, every detail of a meeting is provided here. So you can add meetings here and you can track meetings here and everything is available here about the meeting. So I guess all the features has been discussed here. So now let us take a look at the pricing plan of Fusebase. I hope they keep the pricing plan uh, much more viable and more convenient for the users. But after seeing only, we can decide what is the pricing plan. So let us take a look at the pricing plan of them. So basically, I don't see a pricing plan of Fusebase here. So let us just sign into our account and then I think we'll be able to see that pricing plan. So this is the pricing plan. You have the pricing plan is divided into four tiers: the solo, essential, advanced, and unlimited. The solo plan is cost at $32 per month. The essential plan is priced at $82 per month, and you get all the essential features. And this is the advanced plan, which is going to cost $266 per month, and then you have to add $11 for extra member, and all the things are maxed out. And then you have this unlimited custom plan. You can customize according to your needs if your needs are increasing, and it is going to help you a lot. So you can choose plan on the basis of your needs, and uh, you can also upgrade your plan if your needs are increasing. So thank you very much for watching this video.